Hey everyone, Audra here with Audra Faith. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I have been trying to make this video for the past hour, and literally I've been blown away. I actually got like 100 views on my on the video that I just posted this week. So I actually have gained 5 subscribers too, which blew me away. I wasn't expecting to get any views. So one of the things that I want to share with y'all is that this week I was inspired by DoDash to come back onto YouTube. I'd actually have been inactive on this channel probably for maybe 2 years, I want to say. Not completely inactive, but somewhat inactive. My channel started out originally for the family and for our farm animals, and then it evolved into our dogs. So we'd been both basically using my channel just to post about my dogs, and that was just something that probably about 2 years ago I realized that I have just been hiding behind my dogs and just kind of letting that consume me. And through the years, I've seen my family and my close friends kind of like, say, they only know me because of my dogs, and they miss the old Audra. So who is the old Audra? Well, one of the things that I came across this week too, after being inspired by DoDash, was I started watching a lot of different videos of all these influencers talking about how the whole reason why they created their YouTube channel and why they do what they do. Now, whether it's, you're on YouTube to post your work, or you're on YouTube because, you want to use it for, sharing your message, right? And I'm not, I've kind of been questioning myself, like, why I'm on YouTube in the first place. I know that when I first started it, it was for the intentions of the family and just kind of keeping track of like a photo album or a journey or journal or diary. But I always wondered how it would be so cool to also make some income off the YouTube channel. So again, I can't reiterate enough how DoDash inspired me to come back on and rethink this, rethink the whole, analytics, and rethink how I could come on here and rebrand myself. So for the past 2 years, I had been inactive on my YouTube channel, and I actually created 2 other YouTube channels so that I could start working on rebranding my name, Audra Faith, but keeping my dogs separate. And so I have a huge passion for my dogs. We breed Cane Corsos and we breed Yorkies. They are my passion, and they do take up a lot of our time. We love them. It's become a family business, and between my husband, myself, and our son. But, I do love other things, such as, inspiration, or, working, inspiring women with, just, I guess, I have other messages, not just, I don't just talk dogs all day long. I want to see the world and, see the pyramids, or, continue following the stars, and just, psychology, all that kind of stuff. And I am an entrepreneur and very natural at that. So side hustles has always been something that I've been good at doing. And if I'm here, if I can share, the struggle that I've been through with anyone, and just offer some inspiration, I would love to use my channel as that format, or as that medium or way to get the word out. Because, I will say, and I don't know which YouTuber I saw this week as I've been looking into rebuilding my channel back. But there was one of the videos that I saw on here that made me think about, like, okay, well, who am I? What brings me passion? What excites me? And I will say that I remember when I was about 21 years old, or 22. I remember I had always said I wanted to be a motivational speaker, and I just didn't know how I could make that happen. I knew that I wanted to write books, and I wanted to motivate and be on a platform where I could be, speaking at large engagements in front of thousands of people. And I never knew how to make that happen. And I'm excited because I feel like I can at least start practicing here. And so what I like about YouTube that I think that I also picked up on this week is that if you just start getting the videos and start posting them, like Dodash said, just start posting those videos and make the mistakes and keep failing forward, the message is going to come, and whatever that message is supposed to be, right? We're going to figure it out, and not everybody's going to watch the video. So even if I follow my face on this video, which I feel like I am doing, I am learning, and I'm gathering or gaining the experience, gaining the practice of putting together this message for this video, and only God knows who it's supposed to touch, who is supposed to hear this message, right? And I can't stress it enough. It's like, really, this is not so much for you, but it's for me, like how I can fail forward, right? Fail forward is the thing, is what it is we just have to have the courage, be brave, and do the work. And it doesn't matter how it comes out, because at the end of the day, not everybody's going to see this video. And at the end of the day, I'm going to get it posted. Right now, I need to post 3 videos to reactivate my channel. Apparently my channel was demonetized or deactivated, and I had no idea until, like I said, I got inspired this week by Dodash to come on to YouTube and just start posting again. When I started this channel, like I said, I was just posting it for my family and for our animals, and then it just kind of evolved. I just was posting for the dogs, and I think that I was hiding behind my dogs. And a lot of my friends, they didn't meet me because of my dogs. A lot of my friends my friends that have been in my life for 40, 50 years have been in my life for other reasons, right? So I have a lot of friends, but I've just kind of hid myself behind our family business, and have kind of got lost there. So I'm trying to come back out, and I hope that this YouTube channel helps bring me back out to where I can not only be there for my friends, but be there for this community. And what I'm excited about doing now with this channel is creating a new community, of whatever this community is supposed to be about. So if you're here for the first time and you're watching this video, I look forward to growing with you, and I hope that I can be of some kind of inspiration, motivate you to also start your own YouTube, and or at least follow, like, and let me know what you want to hear about. I'm hoping that I will, like I said, grow and evolve through this practice of posting. I'm challenging myself to post a video. I would like to at least get, my first goal was to post 1 video a week, but now I think that it's possible to at least get 3 to 4 videos a week, and hopefully can grow my channel in that regard, and maybe make a part-time income, which is what I feel would be really nice. And hopefully I can inspire you to also come on and do the same thing, right? And make that part-time income, because who else, doesn't benefit from having a little paycheck? Right now we work a lot around the clock, and we don't ever get a vacation, and we're just living life, hiding behind our family or hiding behind our work, and not really living our true purpose. And I know my purpose in life is to inspire and be a friend, be more of a friend to my friends. And I just don't have the time to do that. I stay at home and I work with my dogs around the clock, which they're my passion. My dogs are truly my passion. And if I don't know if you've seen that meme where, it's a Saturday night and the friends are calling, and, she's in bed with all her dogs. That would be me. I just would rather be at home with my dogs. But at the same time, I know that I'm getting older, and life is too short to miss out on, big events with family and friends, because I'm just, letting life get away from me because I'm so wrapped up with work. And the business is work. Yeah, so I'm hoping to grow through this channel. This is my goal, is to grow this channel to help me come out of my shell. And again, I want to thank Dodash for the inspiration, for getting me to post that first video. I just posted it 2 days ago, and it's already got like a little bit over 100 views, and I think I got 5 subscribers. So I'm kind of shocked by that. And I'm just excited. I'm going to be more transparent. I'm going to not worry about a thumbnail. Is that what it's called? I called it thumbprint on my first video this week. But yeah, so I'm going to make my mistakes as I do this, do these videos. And like I said, my goal is to try to post every 2 days if I can, if not every 3 days, and at least get 2 to 3 videos a week up onto this YouTube channel, and looking forward to growing with you and growing this community. So I just want to thank everyone, if you've been here this far, for following and watching this video. If you'll give it a thumbs up or even just subscribe, that would be real helpful to anyone else who needs to hear my videos. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.